Smash, we're here at the Impact Cup. A lot of tough competition. We've got our hands full. Maximum Sex Power and Pinkie something. Pinkie Sanchez, Pinkie Romeo, Pinkie somebody. I don't like Pink. I'll tell you what, guys. We're going to be nice guys. Normally we don't do this. So pay attention. When you get hurt tonight, and you are going to get hurt, both of you, we're going to pay for 2 ambulances to drive you to the back to the hospital. We're not picking up the charges for anything else, but the free ride to the hospital's on us, right?
That's exactly right, an ICW Cup. We're here for one reason, to spoil it so nobody gets in. And you 2 bums, when we get you in the ring, which you don't even know we're going to be coming, we're going to kick your stinking teeth in.
And that's a promise.
Unfortunately, here comes the only title holder in ICW, the towel swiveling champion, Maximus Sex Power.
So let me get this straight, that towel around his neck is actually the belt.
Yeah. And what happened to Pinkie Sanchez? He went from being a honorary member of the Nana Corp to now being the ring second for Maximus Sex Power. Is that correct?
I have no idea, but what I'm wondering is what the hell is Sex Power wearing right now? Did he kill a tiger? Did he eat the damn tiger?
Rob Fury, did Pinkie Sanchez get fired from Nana Corp and I didn't hear about it?
I actually have no clue about that. I've actually been gone since for one show, so I have no problem and no reasoning for what happened with Pinkie Sanchez. But I'm telling you, Maximus Sex Power, he looks like Fred Flintstone to me.
Come to think of it, roughly around a decade ago, Maximus Sex Power looks familiar. I think I've seen him around a decade ago. Nick Knowledge, he looks familiar next to you for some reason.
Yeah, he reminds me of a gentleman named Al Shoes.
How can you have a cup of impact without the Emperor of Impact? How can you have a tournament without Mr. ICW, the hit Swivel Power Champion, and Pinkie? Maximus Sex Power and Pinkie. Pinkie and I arrived in this building very early today, and we came in registered for the Impact Cup, and they told us it was full. They told us there was no room for the greatest tag team of the past from the future, because that's what we would have been. We went outside, and a bunch of you people signed our petition to get us into the Impact Cup. They still would not let us in. Yeah. So Jackson, if I see you sitting back there selling your action figures, and you want new amazing red figures for sale, we got some new ICW t-shirts. But we also are going to have a match right now. Jack, I know there's about 30,000 people in the locker room. So if there's any team who also didn't make the cut for the Impact Cup, why don't you come out and let's have a shot at it?
You recognize that music, Knowledge?
Well, here comes the axe, and here comes the smash.
The demolition, walking disaster, and here comes the smasher. The demolition, walking disaster.
But doesn't, what, 20 years later, 2 decades later?
More, I don't know.
As a tag team?
Bill Eaton's been around easily 3, if not more than that.
Well, yes, he was a member of the Mongols tag team, but as a tag team, Action Smash 2 decades.
Wasn't Bill Eadie one of the machines?
He was one of the machines. He was one of the Mongols.
Who was the machines? Bill Eadie, Andre, and Hogan? Was Hogan the third one?
Well, he was the third one, but the original 2 were Bill Eadie and Andre the Giant. Now, I just have to ask you, Kevin Matthews, don't you think 2 decades later, now doesn't the term walking disaster have a whole new meaning 2 decades later?
Absolutely. Axe and Smash are bringing in roughly, what, combined, honestly, I'm not even saying making a joke here, but 50 plus years of experience in this match?
That's a whole lot of decades, my friend.
That's a whole lot of decades, and Pinkie Sanchez is going to teach the Demolition a thing or two about this business.
Do you really think Pinkie Sanchez and Maximus Sex Power have a chance with Demolition?
Well, I mean, as Knowledge pointed out, Maximus Sex Power is the only current title holder in ICW.
The thing about it is, Demolition, you're talking about almost 65 years. 65 years of experience between those 2 gentlemen right there.
Now, do you think the one with the least amount of hair repossessed that car that's been double parked all show that they've been announcing out of curiosity?
No, it might have been the one with no hair.
I said the least amount of hair.
You did say that. That's true.
Yes.
Well, it's hard to say. They both kind of bald, aren't they? At this point?
Now, do you think the bald one likes to play golf by any chance? I think he might be an evil golfer.
Yeah, he
on
might.
Saturday nights. I think I've seen him on Saturday nights here and there playing golf, but he was evil. He was an evil golfer.
He was also an evil truck driver at one point, wasn't he?
Thinking of Norman the Trucker? Norman the Trucker was Barry Besh and Booger.
No, I'm referring to a bully of sorts. A blacktop bully.
Oh, perhaps.
And I believe he was a communist at one time.
Yes, yes. The man of a million characters, but this arguably is most notable and famous one. Right now, good old, Axe just throwing I don't know, I was going to say the bigger Maximus Sex Power, but I would pin them roughly around the same weight.
Well, I don't know because, Axe doesn't have his shirt off.
Now, that's actually pretty funny. Now, do you think Max Sex Power, by any means, trains at the same gym as Daivari does? In Iran.
Are you for real?
In Iran. Their bodies are similar.
I think Maximus Sex Power trains at Dunkin' and Donuts.
Dunkin' and Donuts. Personal trainers, Dunkin' and Donuts.
No, he's got a lot riding on his tires, though. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. My God. He honestly looks like raw cookie dough.
Nice, Nick Knowledge. Nice.
I'm just saying.
You think this is the first match Pinkie Sanchez has ever been involved in when he's considered the guy that's in the best shape? Pinkie Sanchez.
Wait a minute, have you been to a Chikara show?
No, but Pinkie Sanchez looks like a standing tampon.
Yeah, again, you haven't been to a Chikara show, huh? There's a whole colony of them.
Big tackle. Big tackle by Axe. Max Sex Power. He's had enough. Didn't even phase him.
Smash wants none of Maximus Sex Power, it looks like.
Look, Max Sex Power doesn't even know what to do right now. Here we go. Pinkie Sanchez is going to have himself a turn. Did you ever think you'd be calling a match between Pinkie Sanchez and the Demolition?
I never thought I'd be calling, until a few months ago, I never thought I'd be calling a match for a guy named Maximus Sex Power.
Pinkie Sanchez used to play with the Demolition action figures as of 15 minutes ago in the locker room. I saw him doing it. Had a little match.
No, I think it was a little longer. It was like a half hour ago.
Yeah, it was them versus the Demolition. I mean, them versus the Rockers. It was good. The new Rockers. Rare find action figures. Pinkie has them. Leaf Cassidy and Marty Jannetty. Only one set was made, and Pinkie has it.
Well, he's quite the collector.
Absolutely. I want a Pinkie Sanchez action figure.
Well, I always wanted a Pink Ant action figure, and supposedly they're no longer they no longer make them.
Pinkie Sanchez right now with these big hard forearms. I don't know how he's able to catch the really heavy Pinkie Sanchez. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. Here we go, old school knowledge!
Look at that. I was really waiting for the tongue from Axe to stick out his tongue. Wasn't completely old school. At this point, is his tongue gray?
I don't know, he's wrapping his tassels around his neck right now.
Knowledge, I have no idea why you want to see a man stick out his tongue. Is that a type of fetish that you have?
Does Demolition Axe have blonde highlights in the top of his hair? I'm just throwing that out there. It's a little weird.
A little odd.
Just throwing that out there. I don't remember Demolition Axe ever wearing blonde highlights.
I don't know why he would need highlights living in the woods of Atlanta, Georgia, but
I think he has the highlights because he's trying to be young and hip, you know? Maybe a little frosted tips and everything like that. You know, the Backstreet Boys generation.
He fish hooked Pinkie Sanchez.
he is choking the life.
That's blatantly illegal.
Boot to the head by Smash.
Those tassels are kind of ridiculous. Is he tapping out?
I'm not exactly sure. I know he's flailing for help. Pinkie Sanchez in a lot of trouble here against Demolition Smash. Irish whip it to the corner. Oh, full head of steam. Nobody home on that one. Pinkie trying to get the offense in, now tagging in Sex Power.
Pinkie got him. He got him.
Barely.
Super hard forearm shot right to the side section region of Axe.
Let's talk about the territory days. Where are the Demolition from as far as the territories go? Come on, historian.
Axe beating down on Maximus.
No, I'm not letting that one go. Where's Bill Eadie from as far as the territories go?
How far back?
Where did he come out of? Where did Bill Eadie come out of?
Well, he actually was the third member of the Mongols as Beppo.
And where was that?
That actually was for Capital Sports here in New York.
Capital Sports. Good old Toots Mont, my good friend.
Toots Mont, I mean, truly probably the first great mind in this business.
Absolutely. How many people other than Axe and Smash do you think know who Toots Mont is in that locker room? I'd say 4.
At best. And it's over.
Axe and Smash win another one. It appears that Axe's brand new blonde highlights did it for him tonight as him and Smash
Pick up the win column and they go to the pay window and acknowledge they go to the pay window.
Well, he caught him right in the bread basket.
They go to the pay window.
They're taking the winner's purse. Maximus Sex Power awkwardly trying to resuscitate Pinkie Sanchez. Oh dear God, no. No, don't do it. No, okay. I think the tower would get jealous over that.